You've probably heard of SSRIs being used to treat depression, but what exactly does selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor mean? The cells in your brain are constantly sending messages to one another, and they do this by passing substances called neurotransmitters across little junctions called synapses. You can sort of think of it like brain cells sending each other mail. One cell puts a message in the mail, like a neurotransmitter being released into the synapse, and then it binds to an appropriate receptor over here on the receiving cell, like finding the right mailbox. But as you know, sometimes mail gets returned to the sender. Well, this happens in the brain too. If there are no available receptors, a neurotransmitter can be taken back in by the cell that sent it out in a process called reuptake. Serotonin reuptake inhibitors block that process. When serotonin tries to return to the original cell, it's not let in, so instead it has to sit and wait in the synapse until a mailbox or a receptor becomes available. Eventually, it does end up binding a receptor on this cell, which means that over time, this cell ends up taking in more serotonin than it typically does. So overall, SSRIs enhance serotonin signaling between brain cells. Follow if you'd like to better understand how the brain works.